The Chicago Burrito from Stay Martin. I really want to try this. Yo. That's crazy. It's a whole pizza made into a burrito. Yo, let's check this out. All right. So now that we know that's a real deal whole pizza, let's see what it tastes like. Wow. This is incredible. This is a wow right here. You need to come prepared for this one. The flavor, oh my God. This one is not for the weak. If you get the whole thing and you eat that, you're a monster. You are a monster. The Chicago Burrito by Stay Martin Meat Stop. Incredible. Wow. That's really good.